At last breaking his silence, Shytoshi Kusama does so at a crucial juncture. Shiba Inu had everyone wondering what the chief developer will do next during its recent enormous daily climb. Now, as the price mania starts to subside, Kusama announces a revolutionary breakthrough that has crypto titans quitting their existing businesses and swarming to Shiba Inu. What's underlying this tremendous change is the main question. Let's investigate it. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. The amazing 150% increase in Shiba Inu throughout February and March indicated a major change in the cryptocurrency scene. Take conventional investing, where a 150% rise in a single month is almost unheard of. To put this into context, for example, traditionally the stock market's average yearly return has been roughly 10%. Therefore, Shiba Inu's rise is a remarkable achievement in the world of finance. This increase was mostly caused by Bitcoin's price rising significantly over the $70,000 barrier level. Along with participating in the larger demonstration, Shiba Inu changed the lives of those who held it. When the momentum of Bitcoin affected other cryptocurrencies, such as Shiba Inu, it became clear how intertwined the cryptocurrency market is and how big cryptocurrency movements affect each other. We found, using in-Toth block data analysis, that an astounding 55% of Shiba Inu addresses are presently profitable. With this, over 700,000 addresses are now seeing gains on their investments. This figure is not just a numerical turning point. That means that more than half of Shiba Inu owners are now making money. Encouragement of confidence in the coin depends on this, as profitability is often a critical indicator of investor mood and general market health. Shiba Inu capacity to move most of its holdings into profit zone brings stability and hope for the future in a market where risk and speculation are inevitable. And as we enter June, Shiba Inu finds itself at a pivotal point as the cryptocurrency world bids goodbye to the remarkable gains of February and March. A key statement given by none other than Shytoshi Kusama, the head developer of Shiba Inu, and often considered the CEO of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, adds even more intrigue to this changeover. For every Shiba Inu bearer, this urgent message, which has sent tremors across the Shiba Inu community, carries great importance. What is this major announcement and why is it so essential is the question that everyone is asking. Shiba Inu's immediate future depends on the events that are taking place, and in the following section we'll go into more depth and solve the puzzle around this urgent message. Thus, given the encouraging news from in-Toth block, Shiba Inu seems to be headed for a steady course, with no immediate risk of large sell-offs in the near future. As any sell-off may put negative pressure on the token's value and impede its upward momentum, this is very important for the price of Shiba Inu to keep rising. Within this hopeful picture, the Shiba Inu community is clearly feeling more confident and hopeful. For holders of Shiba Inu, the encouraging market signs and increasing sense of expectation are creating a bright future. One recent event that has generated a great deal of curiosity and conjecture in the community is adding to the buzz. Unknown chief creator of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shytoshi Kusama, has quietly moved to Denver. This action is already posing to be one of the biggest events in the Shiba Inu story for 2024, even if its ramifications are still unknown. We will get into the specifics of this fascinating change as we go along and consider how it could be crucial to Shiba Inu and its related enterprises in the future. As the narrative develops with possible ramifications for the larger cryptocurrency scene, keep checking back. So let's start at the beginning. The Denver story is the extremely significant change that is now taking place inside the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The Denver narrative begins when Shytoshi Kusama becomes interested in the paintings at Denver International Airport. That was just a few days ago. This apparently innocent question signaled the start of an interesting trip. Shytoshi said he was really interested in seeing the paintings personally because of their eerie and symbolic imagery. Not long thereafter, something little but important changed. lead developer changed his Twitter location to Denver. Really? There have been nothing less than spectacular repercussions from this decision throughout the Shiba Inu community. There were rumors going around that Shytoshi would show up for the Denver 2024 gathering. What, however, is Denver exactly? Well, Denver is a symbolic assembly, an amalgamated community. Vergence of similar minds in the blockchain and cryptocurrency arena brings together developers, inventors, and producers to network, work together, and create alliances that may advance the field. Not just a conference, it's a chance for ideas to flow for the Ethereum and larger crypto ecosystem to flourish together. Allow me to now make the connections. Should Shytoshi attend the ETH Denver meetup, Shiba Inu's scaling solution, Shibarium, stands to earn greatly. As you recall, Shibarium needs cooperation from other developers to achieve its lofty objective of converting and burning Shiba Inu, which it pledged to do with 70% of its patrol charge money. Lucy, the marketing expert for Shiba Inu, recently hinted at Shibarium's aim to onboard 1,000 new projects. Shytoshi's participation at ETH Denver therefore becomes a calculated effort to build alliances and attract more developers to the Shibarium network, which will boost daily transactions and, in turn, the money from patrol fees, some of which will be burnt and converted to Shiba Inu. In keeping with Shytoshi prior pledge, this cooperative effort may allow billions of Shiba Inu tokens to be burned. The Shiba Inu community is excited and curious about the possibility of such a momentous occasion. This is one of the most looked forward to developments for Shiba Inu holders, as it holds the possibility for Shiba Inu and Shibarium to expand and flourish. As this story develops, the tension mounts, and we learn how Shytoshi's acts in Denver may have unanticipated consequences for Shiba Inu's future. And the drama in Denver has shocked the world of crypto whales, in addition to drawing attention from the Shiba Inu community. These massive investors are now enthralled with the possible events involving Shytoshi and Shiba Inu, often motivated by the desire of money. It's a calculated action in the high-stakes Bitcoin game, not merely excitement. Assume this situation. Crypto whales behave similarly, a practice known as portfolio rotation, much as a wise investor would quickly reorient their holdings to maximize profits during a stock market boom. Whales are searching the present crypto bull market for assets that provide the biggest returns, since there are plenty of chances for large earnings. One noteworthy example is the move made recently by a specific whale, who quickly turned their focus and money to Shiba Inu after generating significant gains from the green frog-themed meme currency Pape. With its purchase of more than 75 billion Shiba Inu tokens, this whale made a statement worth approximately $900,000. It seems from this choice that Shiba Inu has more upside potential. The figures tell a fascinating picture, as the whale takes gains from a recently liquidated Pape position. Pape is currently only 34% off its peak. Shiba Inu is in a different situation, 73% away from its own all-time high, having risen almost 159% in March. In the present market environment, this whale's deliberate reallocation of money points to a bet on Shiba's capacity to outperform the gains of other assets. The ways these crypto giants behave highlight the strategic thinking that pervades the cryptocurrency world. Their goal is to be as profitable as possible, hence when they make a calculated change, it indicates that the selected asset is about to take off. These whale movements provide a window into the larger mood and possible rising trend of Shiba Inu as we continue to explore the always changing story of the company. On that, however, what is your view? Post a comment here. Reading your viewpoint would be quite interesting.